Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to add Pinterest widget on Android. First things first, you want to unlock your Android device and navigate to your homepage. Once here, just tap anywhere on the screen or press and hold on an empty space to access the widget options. After that, just scroll down through the widget options until you find the Pinterest app widget. In here, just choose the size of the widget that fits your preference, as different display sizes may be available. So, just make sure to select the one you find suitable. Okay, once you have chosen the display size, just click on the Add or Confirm button, depending on your Android device option. Then, after that, you have successfully added the Pinterest widget to your Android device, allowing quick access to Pinterest features. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you.